Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be opening this CeraVe 19-ounce bottle. This is from the Amazon link in my video description below. We're gonna check out to see if this has the seal or not. Because in some of my videos, the ones I buy from the Amazon link do have the seal, and other times they do not. And this has caused a lot of confusion in the comment section. Let's see if this one has it. All right, here we go. Let's see. Oh, looks like there's no more seal, so interesting. Yeah, cool. I mean, I think there's questions on whether people are getting authentic ones or not. I definitely think this is authentic still without the seal. I think maybe CeraVe just put the seal on some batches back in the day. Cool, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Hope you're all doing well. Good job staying moisturized, and yeah, catch you all next time. Later.